Are you there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, well this is Emily and Marley at the gun range. Shooting the crap out of some targets.
Okay.